Class Agenda, Grade 1A. Good morning. Welcome to our wonderful Grade 1A class. Today, we will explore our exciting agenda and embark on a day full of fun and learning. Circle time. We will start our day with circle time. We will greet each other, take attendance, and talk about the weather and the date. We will also sing songs and rhymes together. Math. Learning about 3D shapes. In our math lesson, we will dive into the fascinating world of 3D shapes. We will learn about different shapes like cubes, spheres, cones, and cylinders. Playtime. This is when we get to use our imagination and creativity. You can explore various play centers in our classroom. Have fun and enjoy playing with your friends. Visual arts. Sculpture from 3D objects. Using Play-Doh or other art materials, we will create amazing sculptures. You can mold the Play-Doh into different 3D shapes and experiment with various forms. Independent reading. It's time to curl up with a good book. Each of you will choose a book from our classroom library and find a cozy spot to read quietly. You can read any books that catch your interest. Lunchtime. We will refuel our bodies with a delicious and nutritious lunch. Remember to eat your fruits and vegetables, and enjoy socializing with your friends. English. Elements of the story. In our English lesson today, we will focus on the important elements of a story. We will learn about characters, settings, and the plot. Closing assembly. As our day ends, we will reflect on the activities and highlights of the day. It's a time to feel proud of our accomplishments and appreciate each other's efforts. Reminders. Tomorrow, we have a swimming lesson, so please remember to bring your swimming supplies. Ask your parents to sign the parents-teachers meeting confirmation. March birthdays. The 20th of March. Hannah. The 25th of March. Joel. The 26th of March. Sarah. Thank you.